I've been acting for about 20-some years. We're from California. We are a long way from home. Yes, we are.
Yes.
What brings us to Laurel is a desire really to be part of the restoration that Ben and Erin have started here. The goal is to focus on empowering people through home ownership.
Richard and Nancy want to find a house on a street that hasn't really been revitalized at all. They want to fix it up and find a family that wants to lease to own.
This is the Martin house.
Ooh.
Okay.
It's really cute.
It's something.
I love it. Minnie and A.L. Martin bought the house around 1920, and then they passed it down to their daughter, and she lived here until last year. So the Martins have been in this house for almost 100 years.
Okay, I like that.
But the house is in really good shape. 3 bedrooms, 2 bath. It's 1,400 square feet. It was built around 1910, and it is listed for 15 grand.
$15,000.
What would this house cost in California?
At least $500,000.
No
Yes.
way.
At least
Close.
There's houses like this that go for $1 million.
Oh, I love that. I love
yeah.
that.
It's cute, right?
Oh, my
This is
goodness.
great.
Yeah?
Okay, yeah.
This
we
is
can
a $1
just-
million house.
Yeah.
We could take the screens off the front porch and then add this handrail, all new landscaping so you can actually see the house.
Yes.
Great.
Get a new front door, but paint it kind of a deep rusty red.
Okay.
So we're talking about scraping it, painting it, like a cheery, sunshiny little yellow. I think all these colors could work together and be really beautiful and cottagey. This block could use some sunshine.
Yes, it
Yes.
needs some.
This is a craftsman style home. This brick column work, the fact that it's never been painted is really cool, and that's a nice
It's
feature.
rare.
Okay, that's awesome.
All right, hardwood.
Yeah.
This is extremely rare for Laurel, because Laurel was founded on the timber industry and it was pine trees.
Okay.
So everybody has pine floors. This house has white oak flooring. They're beautiful.
Okay, so there's a mirror of the fireplace, which is weird.
Which is very weird.
It's weird to look at yourself while we talk about it.
Yes.
I would take that down. And I think it would be cool to do like a mortar smear finish on the fireplace, so we cover up this brick and make it kind of a smooth stucco finish. You will notice it's pretty stuffy in here. There is no,
No central heater
I was
air.
gonna say.
Okay, I was wondering about that.
The house doesn't really have any insulation, so new heat and air, all new electrical, just to make it more efficient for a new family.
Oh. Okay. All right. Ooh, back in time. Oh no. Oh wow. It's vintage.
It's
Yeah.
vintage, right?
Yeah.
It's just a little squeaky. The kitchen right now is so dark. It's the paneling, it dates everything, and it
Yes.
makes it feel like a cave, even though this room is huge.
Wow.
She's like, you go first. Oh wow. Okay.
Look at the space between the toilet and
Hang
the
on,
sink.
let me get.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh.
See, this way you can.
not gonna work.
You can.
Oh. So you can soak your feet and go to the bathroom. Okay.
If you really need to shave, you're in a hurry. Get everything done at the same time.
Just bam, get it done. So we have 2 uneven floor surfaces. It would cost a lot to strip them. I would love to paint it to look like a striped rug, and that would be very in line with the rest of this cottage look.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So it's 1,400 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath.
Okay.
All in, once we finished everything, 75 grand,
75 grand.
which is the top of your number on that.
That's the very tip top.
Tippy top.
Let's talk about the Segrest house here. Vivian and Willie owned a grocery store in town in the 60s and 70s, and they actually lived in the house for over 60 years. It's 3 bedrooms, only 1 bath.
Ooh,
It's
okay.
a little smaller. It's 1,200 square feet. It's a 1920s cottage, and they've got it listed for $25,000, but it has air conditioning.
Okay, that's a
A
plus.
big plus.
We wouldn't spend a lot outside. I think
Okay.
we could just do this.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
that, yes.
That's nice.
It's some subtle changes,
Yes.
subtle. Replacing these ironwork columns that are a little bit frilly with just some sturdy columns that are more traditional. Take off the storm door so you can actually see the pretty front door.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Is there something in here that passed away or
Now,
something?
those are
Something
roaches
interesting to me,
that,
but they're like roach wings.
Their wings.
Oh my goodness.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
You can see where all the tchotchkes were. The nastiness is really gonna make it skew your vision for the house, I'm afraid. So just forget the nastiness because
Okay,
it would
okay.
all be gone.
This is the master, okay?
Oh.
All the bedrooms are the same size.
This is
But
the
this
bathroom?
one feels like it makes the most sense because of where the bathroom is placed.
Oh my goodness. Is this a bathroom?
Got a shower.
What's this hanging on top? What, is that like cocoon?
Cocoons.
Yeah, some kind.
Oh, no. Okay.
He's scared in here.
So with the Segrest house, $25,000 purchase price, we would put $45,000 into it. So that's everything. So it'd come in at 70. It's 1,200 square feet, so it's a little smaller.
Yes.
And then it's 1 bath.
So I know y'all haven't just not talked about the houses. You've
Right.
talked about the
We
houses.
have. Well, we got the Martin house. We have the Segrest, but I see the Martin house as a good first family home. Ultimately, I leave it to my wife.
Okay, talk to me.
All right.
wrong.
Just, oh, no, right.
That's just wrong. For the first time in history, we're in agreement. I also like the Martin house.
Oh, hey!
Yay! I love it, y'all.
For a parent to have their own bathroom is essential.
It's a really smart decision.
I'm pumped. The Martin house is gonna be fun. It's gonna be good.
That sound it makes, it's so good.
There you go.
Because the Martin house was so taken care of, and there are such good things we can keep about the house, like kitchen cabinets, the original brick on the front columns, the fireplace.
I mean, it's actually clean. It's like it's not been used much.
By saving those things, we make this house more affordable for the family that's gonna get to live here.
We're not building new cabinets. What I do want to do, though, is work with what we have and take these cabinets to the ceiling. Is it possible to keep these cabinets, pop the stiles off, and then reface them, let it run all the way to the ceiling?
So what about, let's just build a new face frame to go on top of these,
Goes all the way up?
all the way to the ceiling.
Right,
And it's
yeah.
just gonna add 3/4 of an inch depth to the cabinet.
No, I love it. Yeah, my shoulders are too wide. Yeah, yeah. Ah, jeez. This door ain't light. I think that means it's good.
Ugh. It's beautiful, but man, it's filthy. It's actually in pretty good shape. There's not any cracks in the glass. There's no rot.
We can replace the hardware. I love it. These are really nice butcher block countertops. This is solid oak.
Yeah, it's solid.
I love this house. I love it.
I love it too. It's looking good.
Damn.
Power to the house. We're ready to go. We've got all the electrical done. The insulation got blown in today.
And the air feels so
Oh,
good
it
in
feels
there.
so good in there. And the smart thermostat got it. So, I mean, we need to call the Joneses and tell them they need to book a flight over here from Hollywood.
Come check it out. It was all screened in before.
Wow.
The
This is
bushes are
great.
gone.
The bushes are
Yeah.
gone.
Yeah, and the porch railing I think is like my favorite detail
Oh
on
my
the front
gosh,
of the house.
Erin. Oh, it has a swing. The door. The
The
door.
door
The
is
door
great.
is
The
original
door's-
to the house.
My goodness. That fireplace is totally different.
Yes.
So much
We
better.
smoothed out the mortar lines,
Oh my
so it would be a little bit simplified.
Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Makes the room.
These floors are
Floors.
magnificent.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
This is the natural color.
Yep,
Wow,
just
that's
clear coat.
beautiful.
Yeah, you're dropping the mic on this one.
Oh.
Wow, look at this. Is great.
Oh my gosh.
This is great.
These are the original floors.
Stop it.
Yeah, these are the original
it.
cabinets.
We just refaced all
They're
the
in great
cabinets.
shape. This hardware I wanted to include.
Love
It's a little
that.
bit high end.
I
It's a
love it.
historic replication of the recycled glass hardware you'd see in really old houses.
And that just pops. That green and the green in here. I love it. I love it. Who gets a house like this as a first-time home
Right.
buyer?
Exactly.
It's
Exactly.
amazing.
But we did not blow the budget.
That's right, yeah. We were $15,000 purchase price, $60,000 renovation, so all in is $75,000.
That's awesome.
But it's not the Martin house anymore.
Ah, it's the Jones house.
You can take it home to California and remember it.
Oh,
This is my favorite part.
first a minute.